Great, let's go ahead and build this program now. So let's take another look at the output, because when you build a program, you want to have a very clear view of what the output will look like. And then try to split the big task into smaller tasks. So, for example, let's say this program is asking for user input over and over again, and it's getting some strings in this raw format, no periods, and with a small letter in the beginning. And then if the user enters \n, the program knows that string and it returns the output. So what the program is doing is it's capitalizing these strings, so the first letter is capitalized, and it's adding a period or a question mark. Now you see this is a list of phrases here, of sentences. But as I told you, try to split the task into smaller tasks. So try to split the output into smaller pieces of output. In this case, don't think about how to generate this list, but think about how to achieve the minimum viable output. In this case, that is how to get a raw string, such as this one here, and how to convert it into this string. And the best way to do it is by using a function, to define your own function that gets this string and produces this one in here. So first thing is to create a function. Let's do that in the next video.